Hey everybody, part 4 of our tier tray cherry week. And today I'm gonna do the mini cutting board. So this little guy comes with our tier tray essentials kit. And so all I'm gonna do is grab a little transfer from the cherry on top transfer set, use my multi-tool, and I'm using Dune and Candy Apple Red for this one. The paste goes on so easily with a multi-tool. It's easy to get into little nooks and crannies because it's a tiny little tool. I think you're gonna love it. If you're new to my page, go ahead and type the word VIP right in the comments and I will send you a message with a welcome and a link to join my free DIY and crafting group where you'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you're following my page for more ideas.